Hi, this is Lynn from Expressions MD, and we're here to give you a sneak peek into our newest treatment called MOXI.
Hi, I'm Dr. Detlefsen, and Sarah is here, and she's kind enough to help us today with MOXI. Kathy will be doing her treatment today, and MOXI is our newest laser, newly developed laser that has been designed to get a little deeper into the skin to give beautiful, radiant, refreshed-looking skin. So, Sarah how old are you, Sarah?
I'm 28 years old.
28 years old. And Sarah, what are you looking for with your MOXI today?
I'm looking for a refreshed look to my skin and to prevent early signs of aging.
Perfect candidate. So a lot of times we want to be able to get a jump start, do a little more than where product and our higher tech facials might leave off. And MOXI is a great treatment because we can deliver some laser energy into the deeper layers of the skin to create a prejuvenation for a younger person, or if someone has a little bit of problematic skin or they've had some early signs of aging or lived through genetics and photo damage over the years, we can create some more renewal of the skin and bring back that beautiful fresh look. Sarah has had some breakouts.
Yeah, some stress-related acne, we all get that.
That happens, and we can also increase the energy with our MOXI to cause a renewal of that. This is a no downtime procedure. Kathy, what would you expect for someone?
So the first hour or so after you have your treatment, I would say that you would feel like you have a sunburn, like a typical sunburn, and then after a couple of days, your skin starts to feel more like sandpaper, and that's that for a couple of days. And then after that, you would expect to feel just really soft, rejuvenated skin.
And beautiful skin with that glow and improved texture, improved tone, improved pores. So let's get started. We have our fancy laser goggles here. We're going to lay Sarah back and put some protective goggles on and start with her MOXI treatment. This has different levels of intensity for energy that we can deliver. For our very young patients, we can just do a mild treatment that can prevent and refresh the skin. If we had issues after the years of environmental factors and some more challenges of skin, we can use energy to help transform and renew the appearance of the skin. So Sarah has been had a little bit of topical on for about 30 minutes, and this will help just soften. It's really not a painful process. You can do this without topical. Sometimes it's just a little easier for some people to get a little bit of topical on. And here we go. There is a little bit of a crackling sound you hear from the laser firing, and Kathy is going over the areas of doing a couple of passes, sending this energy down through little tiny channels, and in essence we're creating a very controlled injury that triggers the body's natural healing processes. By getting energy down into the cells a little bit deeper than the epidermis, we're able to have the fibroblasts stimulate more collagen and elastin. And everybody talks about collagen, they'll talk about elasticity, but this truly does rejuvenate and prejuvenate, keep active those cells, triggering the production of the elastin. Elasticity is very important in our overall skin health. It's kind of the rubbery band effect. When we stretch a rubber band, we want it to spring back. And to keep that elasticity of the skin very healthy, this laser will get in light energy into the cells, and we've been very fortunate that people have done a lot of research with light energies and lasers so that we can have these tools available today that weren't available to our clients and patients 20 years ago. In the past, we've had some very aggressive lasers, and we still do, because sometimes people just need that little bit extra, and our more aggressive lasers can cause some downtime where there can be some more prolonged redness. This is beautiful procedure because it's very well tolerated, and we get into the deeper layers of the skin with virtually no downtime. We want everyone to have that opportunity to get a gentle approach to radiant skin. And with MOXI, we can expect that healthy rejuvenation of skin. Now, where we have some little more damage, if you will, to maybe a little bit of scarring, we can use some added energies and then create a more robust healing response. Sarah, how are you feeling?
Pretty great. Just a light prickle as she runs over the surface of the skin, but doing fine.
Okay. And Sarah, on a scale of 0 to 10, and 10 would be, boy, that's really ouch, 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 and 0 as, you know, really it's minimal. About how bad would you say this is?
You know, I would give it a 2 in certain areas, maybe a 3, but roughly a 2.
It's a good point, because sometimes maybe there's 1 or 2 sensitive areas, and then you say, oh, ouch, that's a little ouchy, but something really, really, really well tolerated. You don't need any medications, and people can do very well with this. We have no special post-treatments that are necessary. Kathy, what do you think for, what would you recommend Sarah do for the rest of the day and this evening?
So for the rest of the day, we're gonna want her to just stay out of the sun, and in about probably an hour or so, the sunburn feel is gonna just let up, and we're gonna want her to just keep the skin moisturized over the next few days and definitely sun protected.
Super. And it really is that no special skincare required. We want people to use some sun protection. Interestingly, this is a procedure that we can do all seasons, any time of year. We have one of our favorite treatments, and maybe historically our favorite treatment has been BBL, and which is where we deliver broadband light to stimulate youthful genes and suppress aging genes. The target for that is a little more superficial. So we're even out reds and browns and stimulate some youthful genes. This is now going a little more deeper. Every now and then Sarah will give us a little grimace, maybe a
She's
smile.
got a little grimace going
And
here,
so
but she's good.
it's fine, and it quickly, very, very quickly goes away. So if you get a little zinger, it's like, okay, then I'm fine. You know, when we go across her upper lip, she'll feel it a little bit, and then she'll give us her big smile again, because it's really not too bad. So this is MOXI, our latest laser treatment. It is something that is really targeting all age groups. There is a real interest in clients that want something prejuvenation that can get them ahead of the game, rather than waiting to say, well, now I have this issue or that problem that I need to correct. We want to keep the skin as youthful and healthy as we can. Best tool we have available, the best tool out there, MOXI. People who are getting a little further along in their skin history, who start to notice, well, I need to really renew and restore some things, we have a MOXI available to help that also. So this is a little look into what we have with MOXI. You'll be hearing a lot more from us about MOXI, and I'm sure you'll want to be one of the first to come in and talk about what MOXI can do for you. So Kathy, thank you. Sarah, thank you for helping us today.
Thanks,
We'll finish up your treatment and have you all set. And always remember, good sun protection is always one of the best things we can do day in and day out to keep our skin healthy and youthful. Thanks again for listening and watching us today.